Hey everyone, if you are an audiophile and looking to get an IEM for yourself, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to unbox a premium IEM from the brand Meze, and it's a Romanian product. Before heading forward, if you're new to VGS World and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I request you to do it now and support our channel. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the unboxing. MRP of this premium IEM is 159 US dollars. In India, you can get your hands on this premium IEM through Headphone Zone. If in case you like the product, I'll leave the links in the description below. Please use our link to get one for yourself. Let me run through the technical specs of this IEM. It has got 10.8 dynamic drivers inside it. It has a frequency range between 15 Hz to 25 kHz, and it has got impedance of 32 ohms, and it weighs just 14 grams. Inside the box you will get IEMs along with a case, and also you will get a converter which is a USB-C type to 3.5 mm. And this premium IEM costs 9,999 rupees. Well, if in case you are ready to shell out such a huge price on this premium IEMs, then I'll leave the links in the description below. Please use our link to grab one for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.